Man, what a heck of a dream. Am I right, babe? Babe? Hey, man, what's cooking? Seems to be you. You're looking like a steamed broccoli and all. I now see how what I have said may have come off as offensive. So how about you just hand over the pillow and we can put this behind us. Right? Or we can sleep on it. Oh my god.
You wanna hear something funny?
On second thought, you thirsty? I'm thirsty.